Alright, so I'm going to show you how to adjust your mask to a custom size. As you can tell, like if I wanted to adjust this all the way, I'll have to do something like that. So if I wanted to make this like fit to me, I'll show you guys real quick. So this is like hanging off, all these straps are hanging off. Well, the good thing about my mask is that you can adjust the size of them. So, um, so if you can take your strap, put it to where you think that you would want it, where it feel comfortable for you. This is my personal mask, so I'm gonna be doing this for myself. So you would take it to where you think you would want it, and then you're gonna want to snip it. Scissors might be dull though. There we go. So now I can just attach this just to where it needs to be. Now it's not all, I can even tighten it up a little bit more. It's not all bulging out anymore. Yeah, and you just do this for like all of them. There you go. I don't have to do it for this one, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it. There we go. I think that one came out like a little bit diagonal. I can fix that later. That's where the back of the head, you can see how it's bunched up right here. There's a lot of space. There's a lot of space right there, so. Because this is my own custom mask, I'm making this for myself. You pretty much do it how I want to. I might even actually need to. At the top of the head is usually a little bit smaller than the rest. So if I could take this and just snip there. Just snip there. So now you got all these little pieces left. Okay. All these leather pieces. Here's your leather with Velcro. And you can see the type of Velcro that I'm using now. It's a higher quality of Velcro. You can see my O-ring, the O-ring pattern that I, with the O-ring and the rubber O-rings. How they're holding my mask together. And that's pretty much it. That's how you size up your mask for your cane mask if you bought one from me. This one, I think he either had this one higher and he had it lower. So his eyes like kind of went with the crease a little bit sometimes. And then I've also seen him like had it lower like this. But I like it a little bit higher because you get more of the chin action. But that's pretty much it, for a cane mask.